Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I will share new earning apps review. This earning apps name mQuiz apps. Okay, apps link video description. First time apps open and sign up your account now. Click continue with the Google option. Select your any Gmail account and please subscribe my YouTube channel. First click daily check-in bonus. Okay, 5 coins daily check-in bonus. Okay, then click referral climb bonus. Okay, use my referral code. I use my friend referral code. Okay, 40 coins free. Okay, then click now additional quiz. Okay, very easily math solve. Okay, 2 coins earning. This apps many ads available. Okay, it's very problem ads, many ads available. Then click now math. Okay, very easily and very simple math. Okay, and please reminder, okay, first, third number and 4 number option you not use. Okay, 6 into 3. Okay, and 6 into 6. Okay, very easily math solve and games play and unlimited games available. These unlimited games earning now. Okay, use my referral code. Okay, for referral earning 100 coins. Okay, Paytm, Google Play gift card, Amazon gift card available. Okay, Paytm only Indian user and Google Play gift card all country user available, and Amazon gift card, PUBG and Free Fire Diamond available. Then PayPal International, use this PayPal. Okay, only 1000 coins, $1. Thanks for watching my video.